Welcome to the Sage 50 US Edition Anytime Learning topic. In this topic, you will learn how to use Sage 50's Update feature to upgrade the program to a new release. After completing this Anytime Learning topic, you will be able to upgrade to the current release using Sage 50's Update utility. Sage 50 Accounting includes an easy-to-use feature that minimizes the time and steps it takes to upgrade to the current release. Working directly within the program, this feature will let you know when an update is available and will automatically download the update while you keep working. Additionally, this feature will fill in the product serial number for you during the upgrade process. Let's walk through a demonstration of updating Sage 50 using this convenient feature. When a new release is available, Sage 50 will prompt you when you open the program. This window includes an Install button that you can click to immediately begin downloading the upgrade in the background as you continue your work. When the download is complete, you will be prompted to exit the program to continue the upgrade process. Note that if you are using Sage 50 on a network, you should install the upgrade on the server first, and then install it on each workstation. If you choose not to upgrade at this time, or do not show this message was checked when the window was previously displayed, you can still access the upgrade from within the program with just a couple of extra clicks. On the Sage 50 main menu bar, select Services, and then check for updates. Next, click the Check Now button. When an upgrade is available, it will also be listed in the Online Update window. Click the Read More link to view more information about the upgrade and important installation notes. Click the Download button to begin downloading the upgrade installation package to your computer. This may take several minutes. When the download is complete, a prompt will display informing you that the upgrade process will continue when you exit the program. Click OK. When you are ready to continue with the upgrade, exit Sage 50 and a prompt will display asking you if you are ready to update. If you select No, this prompt will display again the next time you exit the program. Let's click Yes to continue. Another window will display instructing you to install on the server first and that you will need to convert your data after installing the upgrade. Click Install. Now you may be prompted to install additional system updates that are required to run the new release. Don't skip this step, otherwise the upgrade process will not continue. Let's click Install. When the system updates complete, the setup wizard for the new release will run. Click Next on the Welcome page, and on the License Agreement page, check I agree, and then click Next. At this point, you may receive a message stating that the Windows firewall has been detected. Firewall programs running on the system must allow Sage 50 and its helper programs to run without restriction. Otherwise, the program will not function as designed. Always select Yes to this message. Doing so will instruct the Sage 50 setup program to automatically configure Windows Firewall to allow Sage 50 files to communicate properly on your network. Click Next. If you have a third-party firewall such as ZoneAlarm installed, an additional firewall settings page will display. This page provides instructions to follow to properly configure any third-party firewalls you may have running, and lists detected firewall programs. In this demonstration, the ZoneAlarm firewall software has been detected. Although the setup can automatically configure Windows built-in firewall, the wizard cannot auto-configure third-party firewall programs. It is for this reason that you should enable the alert system of additional firewalls before continuing. With alerts turned on, your firewall will prompt you the first time a network-aware program is installed or run on the computer. When you receive firewall alerts during the installation of Sage 50, always select to allow or unblock installation and program files as they are run for the first time. You can learn more about configuring third-party firewalls by viewing the Sage 50 Installation Tips Anytime Learning topic. Let's click Next. The wizard then searches for currently installed versions of Sage 50. Now the serial number window will display, asking for a serial number. The serial number used to install the release update will be automatically entered in the field. If the serial number field is blank, simply enter the serial number provided to you when you received your upgrade information and click Next. The Upgrade Options Wizard page will display, displaying upgrade information such as the version of Sage 50 currently installed and the current program files and company data folder locations. If you need to run both versions side by side, select No and click Next to configure Sage 50 to be installed in a new program files location and a new company files location. Let's leave Yes selected and click Next. A summary page displays. On this page, the program and data path locations are listed again. Click Install to begin the installation process. A Setup Status window will display. In addition to the new release of Sage 50 Accounting, programs updated include the Pervasive Database Engine, which is used to manage your company database. If a third-party firewall is installed, you may be prompted to allow or block one or more of the files listed on this window. Always allow these files to run unrestricted. Your firewall may also prompt you to permit other files to run that are not listed. Select to allow these files to run as well. Once the installation is complete, you may be prompted to restart your computer to finalize the upgrade. If this prompt displays, make sure you restart your system before continuing to update the program. Otherwise, a final window will display, allowing you to automatically start Sage 50 and view release notes. Let's leave Start Sage 50 Accounting checked, and then click Finish to complete the installation process. An instructions page may display. If you are upgrading on the server, these customized instructions will walk you through using the Network Installation Manager to install Sage 50 on your network workstations. During the installation, the Network Installation Manager files were copied to a shared folder on the server and includes a custom installation script that makes installing Sage 50 on workstations a simple process. These instructions are accessible from the Windows desktop and can be copied to a USB drive to take to each workstation on which you will install Sage 50. For steps on how to use the Network Installation Manager, please view the Using the Network Installation Manager Anytime Learning topic. Close the instructions page to continue. As Sage 50 starts for the first time, additional firewall prompts may display. Make sure that you select Allow on these prompts, otherwise the program may not function properly. Now that the installation is complete and the program is open, it is a good time to activate the program. If you are upgrading a workstation, the step may not be necessary if the release update has been activated on the server. To activate Sage 50, select Help from the menu bar, and then Sage 50 Activation, Licensing, and Subscription options. A product activation prompt will display. Make sure that you are connected to the Internet and click the Activate Online Now button. The program will contact the Sage 50 Activation Service and activate the program. Now that the program is updated and activated, it's time to convert your company data to the new release format. If you're on a network, it is recommended that this step be performed on the server. Select File from the menu bar, and then select Open Company. On the Open Company window, select your company and click OK. The Data Conversion Wizard welcome page will display. Click Next. On the Confirm Company to Convert page, verify that you have selected the correct company and click Next. If you are upgrading Quantum and your current posting method is real-time, you will have the option to change the posting method to Smart Posting. Smart Posting cycles through your database and posts transactions regularly. This is done for you by the service, so it will appear that you are using real-time posting. This posting method provides better performance because it allows you to save a transaction without waiting for it to post. You can always change to Smart Posting at a later time. Make a selection and click Next. You will then be prompted to make a backup at this time. This step cannot be skipped. Select to include the company name in the file name, click Backup, and save the backup somewhere secure, such as your desktop. When the backup is complete, the Next button will become available. A progress bar will display as the data is converted to the current release format. This step should not be canceled. If it is canceled, you will need to restore the previously made backup and walk through the conversion wizard from the beginning. Depending on the size of your data, the conversion process may take a few minutes to over an hour. It can be left unattended. When the data conversion is complete, click Finish and the company will open in the upgraded release, ready to use. This concludes our look at upgrading Sage 50 to a new release. Thank you for taking this Anytime Learning topic. For information on additional training options available, please visit us at sageu.com.